my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at this 2017 Toyota 4Runner. We put a 3-inch Pro Comp lift on it, some 18x9 fuel hostages in a gloss black finish, and some 275/70 R18 BFGoodrich all-terrain tires. So this 3-inch Pro Comp lift kit, it is a 65210K. That is the part number from Pro Comp. If you look it up, you will see that it is made for a Toyota FJ, and you're saying, well, Michael, this is a 4Runner. Yes, Pro Comp doesn't make a 3-inch lift for it. However, the FJ lift will transfer over to your 4Runner as long as you don't have an X-Reyes system or anything like that. The 3-inch lift, we have no tips and tricks. It's all laid out in the instructions. It's all super easy. It's just a strut spacer on the front and a puck in the rear. You also have you have a differential skid plate drop bracket, which is just removing bolts, throwing in a spacer, and throwing them back up. So super easy. If you want more information on this tire and wheel combo, please watch the wheel matchup video. It will be somewhere around here towards the end of the video. Besides that, we don't have any tips and tricks. We love 4Runners. They are a great mom and dad car. They're a great college car. They're a great high school car. They're just a great all-around car, and you can lift them and do little mods like a roof rack or a bumper or anything like that. Watch some of our other 4Runner videos to get some ideas on what you could do to yours. So, if you have any questions, please leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you're looking at this 4Runner and you're saying, Michael, I want a 4Runner, I want a black 4Runner, I want 18-inch wheels, I want a 3-inch lift, and I want those BFGs. But I don't want to go to the dealer, buy the 4Runner, bring it to you, have you lift it, and then drive it. I just want it already done. Luckily for you, we're going to start posting our inventory on our website, central-alps.com, and go to the inventory page, and you'll be able to scroll through all of the vehicles that we have built for dealers that are currently for sale, and the hope is that you can find the perfect vehicle and then go buy it today. Probably tomorrow, but as soon as you want. So again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.